Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I am a little late at announcing one winner, and I'm right on time announcing another winner. So I had two giveaways that have ended. The first one was the Dollar Tree train. It was Cupid Winter, and that had 11 channels in it, and it was just a lot of fun. Miss Jackie Russell runs the Dollar Tree train, and I'm just so excited that she has invited me to join because it's been a lot of fun. And we have another one coming up soon for Easter, so that'll be at the beginning of March. Look for that. So I won another giveaway, and I want to announce these winners, and I got a little friend mail, so I've got a lot to do. And Camille sat right down, of course she sat right down when I had everything organized. So let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm not wearing, you can see I'm just sort of plain Jane today, not wearing much. I'm wearing the Wayne Goss palette that I got in my lucky bag. So hard to open it, so hard to open. But I do have on all of the colors. It's very, very light. It just is. I don't know what the big hype is, but I'm glad to try it. It's always good to try. I have been using it. And then on my lips, I have this gorgeous Yves Saint Laurent that I just got in Allure. And anybody that got this, tell me what you think, because to me, it doesn't have any taste, not at all. It's a lip balm, and now I have fur on me from Camille, but it smells sweet to me, like fruit. It just smells good, but you can't taste it, which is fine. But it looks dark, but it's a lip balm, so it doesn't go on very dark, and it's very moisturizing. It's really, really nice. I'm happy to have it. It's gorgeous also. Gorgeous. So that's what I'm wearing. So I got some friend mail, and let me make sure not to show you addresses. Okay. I got this in the mail from Miss Shirley. Excuse me. Shirley is Shirley's Real World. And if you don't know Miss Shirley, she's just the salt of the earth. She's sweet. She's kind. She does Mass Mondays. She does Tea Tuesdays. She does other things. She just is, I just really like her. She's just really down to earth, real. And anybody that I mention, I'll have in the description. And I always encourage you to go see these wonderful channels, my friends. I did cut this open, and here comes Camille went. Now here blue. Okay, sit down. Oh, how sweet. Now, y'all, I want you to know I got this before Valentine's Day. You might be seeing this after Valentine's Day, but I did get this before. This is so cute. Oops. It's a Valentine card. It says, "You rock." And the other side says, "From Shirley, to Mary from Shirley." And it has this cute little card, this little stamp kind of thing in it. And these are these little trolls. I don't know their names, y'all. I'm sorry. I know I should, but I don't. Okay, Blue, you'll have to sit down, or you can move on. Woo, no bottoms. We don't like the bottoms. Okay, move on, love. It's nothing. The bottom. Can we have a bottomless video? Maybe someday we will. And I got this card, and this card is from Erlene Stevens. Erlene has a channel, and she has a pretty new channel. And again, I'll put her link in the description below. I'm actually doing a Mass Monday with her and Life with Christine and Tea Time Adventures that will end this weekend. So go check that out if you'd like to see that giveaway. I mean, if you'd like to be involved in that giveaway. We are all doing mass giveaways. Oh, this is so cute. Let me show it to you and then I'll read it. It says, oops, some stuff fell out. "Valentine's Day is just the day for loving thoughts of you because you're such a blessing to others all year through." Thank you, Erlene. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Erlene. Mary. And it says, "Thank you for everything. You're a blessing in my life. I can't put into words how much you mean to me. I hope you and the fur babies are doing well." Thank you, Erlene. Erlene's she's so sweet. See, that's how she is. She's so sweet. So she started a channel. She just wanted to try it, and she's having a good time, I think. I think she is. So she also sent some stickers. If Blue sat on them, the dragonfly. I love the dragonfly. It's so beautiful. And then this one says, "Always stay humble and kind." Very, very pretty. Thank you, Erlene, and thank you, Miss Shirley. So sweet. And then, y'all, all right, let me announce the winners. I won a giveaway from Erlene. So that means if I want to give away, you can win a giveaway. Okay, the fur is just incredible, Blue. Can you move along? Okay, so my Dollar Tree, I was sorry to tell you that, and probably a cat intro to me. the Dollar Tree train, the one that just recently ended this past weekend, Cupid Winter. The winner of that is Unboxings with Wendy Jean. And Wendy Jean just hit 1K. What are you doing, Blue? He's like frozen. Okay. If you want to sit down, sit like this. Oh my goodness, he won't listen. So she is the winner of the Dollar Tree train, and I will get with her and get her something out. And then that ended Sunday, and I usually post sooner, but I've been a little whatever. The other giveaway I had was I want to give away so you could win a giveaway, and that was with Kim's A Little of a Lots. And I won an advent calendar from Kim, and the winner of that giveaway is Lisa Babs 4570. So Lisa, now Wendy Jean I have known for a while, so I have her information. Lisa, I don't have your information, so send me a DM on Instagram or an email. And all of that information is in the description below this video with all of these lovely channels. Any channel I mention will be in the description. It should highlight blue, and when you click on it, it'll take you right to their channel, and you can check them out and see how you like them, and watch a video or two, and then subscribe, and you know, help these ladies out. And now, let's see what I won. I might have to take a break. Smudge went to the doctor today, just for his, you know, regular checkup, and he did really well. He's really healthy, thank goodness. But they all get crazy when one comes back home. So that's what's happening right now. So I won this giveaway, and this giveaway is from Erlene S. So it's Erlene has done several giveaways on her new channel, and somebody won this giveaway, and they didn't respond. So she picked another winner, and it just so happens it was me. So I'm excited about it. And how this works, I'll show you what Erlene gave me, and then I won, so you can win. So you have to be publicly subscribed to Erlene and to me, and I will check. So this will run for 2 weeks. I'll have the dates in the description because I'm not sure what day it is today. So honestly, I have no clue. It's Valentine's Day when I'm filming this, but you're going to see this Thursday after Valentine's Day. So let's see what I won. Look at this adorable bag. There, Erlene put stickers on that say Happy Mail, and then it's wonderful ice cream products. So let's see what's in here. I know what I won, but she put a little extra in. So, and there's a card. Okay. Oh, cute, cute. So here is a card. Whoops, it says Mary. Excuse me. You know, the fur that's in this house. Can you imagine? I do sweep every night. It says, congratulations. And it says, well, there's, some really pretty stickers inside. I'll show you those in a minute. Oh, this is, she wrote a lot in here. So, Mary, congratulations to you on the win. I hope you enjoy everything. If there's anything you can't use or don't want, please pass it along. And she's thanking me for support. And I thank you too, Erlene, for support. I thank you all for your support. Okay, she's very sweet, very sweet. So I'll finish reading that later. So it's a little personal, y'all. But look at these beautiful stickers she sent me. These are really pretty. I love the shades in here. It's, hey, there's a bumblebee, you glow girl, born to be wild, hello gorgeous, yourself, let's say, taking care of yourself is productive. That's so true. Love. These are beautiful, Erlene. And there's a beautiful kitty cat and some other flowers and things. Be kind to you, everyone, including yourself. That's what we forget. That's what we really do. As women, we take care of everybody, and who takes care of us? So you've got to take care of yourself as well. So, of course, Erlene sent me extras. So thank you, Erlene. Thank you. I'm excited. Let's see. She has a Ziploc bag and some sheet masks in here. Oh, this is one of my favorites, is the Tony Moly I'm Avocado. This is very nourishing. Tony Moly masks just fit so nice. They stay on and they fit nice. And then this one is from the Creme Shop, which I love. This is Hello Kitty, and it is Merry and Bright. So that one's from Christmas. You know how they made these, it's a postcard, but I don't think you really could mail that. I can't imagine. It would get all, it would break open and whatever. But I'll do this soon. We'll just do a Christmas in whatever, April, May, March, whenever I do it. It'll be fun. It's Hello Kitty, so and the Creme Shop's masks are always wonderful too. Here comes the train. So let's see what else is in here. There is a package here that is wrapped up very nicely. And, oops. Oh, look at this, is pretty. This is a little bookmark. It says, I have loved you. I have loved you with the everlasting love. And grace upon grace on the other side. So this is great for your Bible. See, it's a magnet. And then it'll hold a couple pages for you, so it's a bookmark. And it magnetizes, so it'll stay in place. That's really cool. Thank you, Erlene. I really like that. I will definitely be using that. And then there's some little goodies in here. Oh, now Erlene, this is, let me see, because it's Kevin and Coco. And Erlene, you sent this to me before. Oh, it was a different color though. Hang on. This is lighter. You sent me a darker one before. Let's see. This smells really good. It smells like watermelon. It smells like watermelon, and this is really light. That other one that she sent me is really dark, so this would be nice to go over the other one because sometimes the other one's a little too dark. Oh, that's pretty. It's a nice neutral, but it has a little bit of a mauve to it. I like, see, but it has nice coverage. It looks like it's just going to be a lip gloss, but you can see it's a lipstick. I mean, it's full coverage. That is cool. And it smells like watermelon candy. I love it. I love it. This I do have, Erlene, so thank you so much for sending it to me. I love it. I use it. It's Okalan Artistic Diamond Shiny Liquid Liner. This is it. And it's that purple. It's a purple eyeliner, and I do have this, so I'm going to leave this in here. It's beautiful. I've used it before. I got it from Ice Cream Beauty, which is where I assume probably Erlene got it from as well. So if you don't mind, Erlene, I will probably put that in a giveaway. I love that. That's really pretty. It's coming out. It's coming out really pretty. It looks, see, just like the other one, it looks a little bit darker than what's in the tube. So I like that. All right, let's see. This is something, I don't know what it is. It looks cute. It's Hydro Sealer. Oh, it's a concealer. It is, oh, by Tarte. And it is, I always need a concealer. You know, concealers, we don't get that many concealers in boxes, which is probably a good thing because we all have different skin tones and it might be hard to, you know, match just right. So this is from Tarte. Oh, y'all, let me get it. All right, that is adorable. It is Tarte brand, and it says S-E-A. And it looks like it might be really perfect for me. Erlene is really, really light skin. She may even be like porcelain. And I can be between porcelain and light. So that looks nice. You can hardly see it because it blends right into my skin. So thank you so much, Erlene. That is a cute container too. I love it. And I love Tarte. I love the brand Tarte. It's a great brand. And then this is what I knew I was winning. This is a palette from Laura Geller. And it's nicely wrapped. Erlene did a great job wrapping it. This is it's beautiful, beautiful packaging. It is the Blend Away Rosy and Rustic 8 multi-finish eyeshadows. So I have some eyeshadows from Laura Geller. I like Laura Geller. I use Laura Geller every day as my base. Oh, it has a nice magnet closure. This is beautiful. Okay, this is taped on, and this video is going to be getting long, and I want to show you the giveaway. Camille, can I show this? So these are beautiful neutrals. Stop biting me. And there's this lovely mauve in here. I will swatch that on another video. Maybe when I wear it, I'll show it to you or something, okay? Thank you so much, Erlene. I love it. I love everything in there. Thank you so, so much. Okay, don't misbehave so much. Now to show you what the giveaway is. You know, I'm not sure how long this is now because I've had to stop it a couple times. But I have a Walmart box that's a little overstuffed. So this is what's in there. It's, I'll try to go quickly. I have a mask, These are spot patches. And then these are just little rounds that you can put on your eyes, you can put on your cheeks, you can put on your forehead, anywhere you want. Some eye masks. And then all these little goodies. So I'll just show you the bigger items. So there's a hair treatment. There's little sampley things of a lot of different things, okay? And I have the Sally Hansen Pro Brush Kit. This is Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. This is lemon, apple, and pomegranate. Milk makeup. This is gorgeous. This is a hydro gel. I mean, I'm not gel. It's a hydro refresh spray grip. You know, makeup finisher. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the half caked instant crush. These are really cute. These are two lip glosses that work well together. Look at how pretty they are. Look at, they've got a heart on them and everything. There is this very, very light pink, and then this gorgeous, you cannot see it, but the sparkles in here are phenomenal. You know, so this can go over any lippy, or just if you just have dry lips. And then this is a beautiful light one, which also could go over darker lips, or just use it every day, or use them together. Really nice little package there. And then I've got this ColourPop palette for you. And this is the one that I have used recently, and you all liked it. It's this one is called Fly Away. So these are the gorgeous colors. You can do a lot with this. And you can, you know, you can mix this with other palettes too. So that is my giveaway. So you have to be publicly subscribed to Erlene S. and me. And she'll be below. And this will run for a couple of weeks. I don't remember the dates, y'all, so I'll put them in the description. Look for that. Just comment. I hate it. Say orange, ORANGE, if you want to be entered. Because some people come over and just watch my videos and just to here for support. So if you'd like to win, you can say orange patch, whatever you want to say, okay? I mean, if you'd like to be entered. Does that make sense? Oh, there's some, well, I have, I didn't show you everything in here, but I've got little things, and I've got a nice Beauty for Real eyeliner. Lots of nice little things. And if there's a little more room, there'll be more things in there. So y'all take care, count your blessings, and have a great day. I hope you're having a good week, and I hope it's getting to be spring-like where you are. Y'all be careful. Camille, y'all, she's just rotten. There she is. Y'all take care and count your blessings.